Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. So, if you're interested in starting an online business, and you want to know what dropshipping is, how it works, and how you can get started with it, then keep watching. Dropshipping has become a popular retail fulfillment method for e-commerce businesses around the world. It allows merchants to sell products without holding any inventory, thereby reducing the upfront costs associated with starting a traditional retail business. In this video, we will explore the concept of dropshipping, its benefits and challenges, and how to get started with this business model. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method that allows online stores to sell products without holding any inventory. Instead of buying products in bulk and storing them in a warehouse, dropshippers work with suppliers who fulfill the orders directly to the customers. When a customer places an order on a dropshipping website, the merchant purchases the product from a supplier, who then ships the item directly to the customer. The merchant keeps the difference between the price charged to the customer and the price paid to the supplier, making a profit without ever handling or seeing the product. How does dropshipping work? Dropshipping involves three main parties: the merchant, the retailer, the customer, the end consumer, and the supplier, the manufacturer or wholesaler. Here are the steps involved in the dropshipping process. Setting up an online store. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is to set up an online store. This can be done using e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Adding products to the store. Once the store is set up, the next step is to add products to the store. Dropshippers can source products from suppliers who offer dropshipping services or use online marketplaces like AliExpress. Marketing the store. Once the store is set up and the products are added, the next step is to market the store to attract customers. Dropshippers can use various marketing channels like social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to promote their store. Customer places an order. When a customer places an order on the dropshipping website, the merchant receives the order details. Purchase product from supplier. The merchant then purchases the product from the supplier at a wholesale price. Supplier ships product directly to customer. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer, along with any packaging or branding requested by the merchant. Profit margin. The merchant keeps the difference between the retail price charged to the customer and the wholesale price paid to the supplier. What are the benefits of dropshipping? Dropshipping offers many benefits to e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to start their own business. Some of the key benefits include low startup costs. Dropshipping does not require merchants to purchase inventory upfront, making it an affordable option for entrepreneurs who want to start their own business with little capital. Easy to get started. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store and adding products is easy and straightforward. Location independence. As dropshippers don't handle or store inventory, they can run their business from anywhere in the world, as long as they have an internet connection. Wide range of products. Dropshippers can sell a wide range of products without having to worry about stocking inventory. This allows them to offer a diverse range of products to their customers. What are the challenges of dropshipping? While dropshipping offers many benefits, it also comes with some challenges that merchants should be aware of. Some of the main challenges include low margins. Since dropshippers don't purchase products in bulk, they pay higher prices for individual items, resulting in lower profit margins. Shipping times. As dropshippers rely on third-party suppliers to ship products, they have less control over shipping times and customer experience. Competition. Dropshipping has become a popular business model, which means that there is a lot of competition in many niches. How to get started with dropshipping? 1. Choose a niche. The first step to starting a dropshipping business is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific market segment or product category that you want to focus on. Choosing a niche is important because it allows you to tailor your product offerings and marketing efforts to a specific group of customers. When choosing a niche, consider the following factors: your interests and passions. Starting a business in a niche that you are passionate about can make the work more enjoyable and fulfilling. Market demand. Research the market to determine if there is enough demand for the products in your chosen niche. Competition. Check out the competition in your niche to see if there are already many established players, or if you can fill a gap in the market. Profitability. Consider the potential profit margins for products in your chosen niche. 2. Find a supplier. Once you have chosen your niche, you need to find a reliable supplier that offers quality products and fast shipping. There are several ways to find suppliers for your dropshipping business. Use supplier directories. Supplier directories like Alibaba, Salehu and Oberlo allow you to search for suppliers by product category, location, and other criteria. Attend trade shows. Attending trade shows is an excellent way to meet suppliers in person and see their products firsthand. Contact manufacturers directly. If you have a specific product in mind, you can contact the manufacturer directly to see if they offer dropshipping services. When choosing a supplier, make sure to consider the following factors. Quality. Ensure that the supplier offers high-quality products that meet your standards. Pricing. Compare prices from different suppliers to make sure that you are getting a good deal. Shipping times. Look for a supplier that offers fast shipping times to ensure that your customers receive their orders quickly. Returns and refunds. Check the supplier's policies for returns and refunds to ensure that you are protected in case of any issues with products. 3. Set up an online store. Once you have chosen your niche and found a supplier, the next step is to set up an online store. You can use a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to create a professional-looking online store quickly and easily. These platforms offer pre-designed templates and plugins that make it easy to customize your store and add products. When setting up your store, consider the following factors. Branding. Create a brand that resonates with your target audience and reflects the values of your business. Product descriptions. Write clear and compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your products. Pricing. Set competitive prices that allow you to make a profit while still offering value to your customers. Payment and shipping options. Offer a variety of payment and shipping options to make it easy for customers to buy from your store. 4. Market your store. Once you have set up your store and added products, the next step is to start promoting it to drive traffic and sales. Here are some effective ways to market your dropshipping store. Social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with potential customers and promote your products. Paid advertising. Use paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your store. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. In conclusion, dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model that offers many benefits, including low startup costs, easy setup, and location independence. However, it also comes with some challenges, such as low profit margins and shipping times. If you're interested in starting a dropshipping business, make sure to do your research, choose a niche carefully, find a reliable supplier, and focus on marketing your store to attract customers. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.